Here I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow motion, tap on 3 stripes here, and here you can change slow-mo speed. So like at 120 FPS it will be like the fastest slow-mo you have, but in 960 it will be the slowest one. So and 240 is like something in between. So yeah, by choosing frame rate you can change its speed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.